The degradation of biodiversity by human activities affects the health of ecosystems and the resources they provide to humans. To better protect, restore, and enhance biodiversity, our research unit studies its three levels of organization: genetic, species, and ecosystem diversity. Integrating these three dimensions enables us to understand how nature is impacted by global change and what types of ecosystem management make them less vulnerable to hazards. Genetic diversity is the fuel of adaptation. For sessile oak, we use experimental plantations to study the capacity of European populations to adapt to climate change. For maritime pine, our studies enable us to predict its growth in a future climate, and we make the most of its genetic diversity to develop improved varieties resistant to drought and pathogens. We are also studying the interactions between species and their dynamics in the context of climate change. A participatory science project carried out in different climates has highlighted the role of bird diversity in protecting trees from herbivorous insects. Our work has also led us to propose new forest management practices based on tree species mixtures that promote resistance to herbivorous insects. We are also committed to work on the influence of urbanization on the diversity and distribution of animal species, from insects to mammals. These studies provide decision-making and management tools for reconciling biodiversity preservation and urban development. Our research takes place at different scales of integration of living organisms, from cells to ecosystems, using approaches based on observation, experimentation, and modeling, as well as participatory science. We produce fundamental knowledge that enables us to better understand the responses of populations and species to global change, and thus predict the evolution of ecosystems. We also propose applications such as forest management practices that promote resilience. In this way, our research contributes to meeting the social, economic, and environmental challenges facing terrestrial ecosystems in the face of global change.